makeeasy. This is 11th video of modular programming, that is function and sub procedure. And today we'll discuss this 11th program, that is write a program in Q10 to input 3 sides of triangle and check whether triangle can be formed or not using sub procedure. So we have to input 3 sides of triangle value and we need to check whether triangle can be formed using these 3 sides or not. So we need to know the property of triangle, that is I'm using here QB 1.0 to write a code. So triangle property is any 2 sides of a triangle, sum of any 2 sides of triangle is greater than third side. Sum of any 2 sides is greater than third side. That is the property. It's one of the properties. So let's write a code using a function procedure. So I will write here declare function using function procedure. Then we give the name. We are checking triangle can be formed or not. So I'm giving name check. We need 3 values because 3 sides we have to input. So A, comma, B, comma, C. A for first side, B for second side, C for third side, CLS. Now we need to input the value. Here are 3 sides of triangle. Now A, comma, B, comma, C. Whatever is included inside the parameter as a parameter here, we have to input the value for those. So A for first side of triangle, B for second side, C for third side. Now to call the function procedure, function returns a value. So x dollar equals to function name is check dollar, like at A, comma, B, comma, C. I have written here check dollar instead of check because we have to return a string in this function. Whatever string, that is triangle can be formed or triangle cannot be formed. This string we have to return. That's why I'm using here dollar in front of function name. Okay, function returns a value and is stored in x dollar, so we have to print x dollar. X dollar means maybe it is triangle can be formed, maybe it is triangle cannot be formed. Done. Now function part, function check dollar bracket A, comma, B, comma, C. Enter. Now function part is open. Logic is any 2 side, sum of any 2 side of a triangle is greater than third side. Sum of any 2 side. Let me take first side plus second side. Sum of any 2 side is greater than symbol, third side is C. So this is the logic. Sum of any 2 side, first side and second side is greater than third side. We are saying any 2 sides, so that's why and B plus C. This is sum of any 2 side is greater than A. This is third side. And another combination B, A plus C greater than B. A plus C, sum of any 2 side is greater than third side. Okay, these are the 3 combinations we have. Then if this condition is correct, then we have to return the value. Return what? Check dollar equals to triangle can be formed. Now else check dollar equals to triangle cannot be formed. Now we have used if statement, so it is to write end if. That's it. So let me run the program. I'll enter values first side, comma, second side, comma, third side. Triangle cannot be formed. If we add first side 1 and third side 5, sum of any 2 side is greater than third side. 1 plus 5 is not greater than 8. That's why triangle cannot be formed. Okay, let me enter another value 5, comma, 12, comma, 12. Triangle can be formed because if we add any 2 values, that will be greater than third value. You can check 12 plus 5 is greater than 12. 5 plus 12 is greater than 12. That's why triangle can be formed. This much. Hope this is clear. To view the solution of this program and every program, check the link in the description below. I have provided the link. There is a solution for each and every program just like this, and here is the solution using function and sub procedure as well. So by doing this program using sub procedure, instead of writing function, we have to write here sub keyword, and while calling of sub procedure, call check a comma b comma c. Sub procedure does not return a value, so we have to use dollar in function but not in sub, because sub procedure never returns a value, so no need to use dollar symbol. Now after calling, we have to check same condition, and in function we return the value using check dollar. This is the function name to return the value, but in sub procedure we have to print the value directly. So this is print, triangle can be formed, and else triangle cannot be formed. This is the same way. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.